The Mavic Mini is good, but it will struggle in strong winds because it is light. You can see at this low level it is being buffeted around, and the higher you go the stronger the winds, and it will struggle to maintain its GPS position. It will also struggle to fly back to you in winds of over 15 miles per hour. This is the battery pack for the Mavic Mini. It takes 3 batteries. This is one of the batteries I've just taken out, and there's the connectors. You can just see the connectors at the top here, and we're just going to slot that in the middle slot and push it down, and it's showing 3 bars, which is about 75%. So on the side here you can plug the mains cable in, plugs in the side, and then that goes into the wall, into the mains. And the battery is located in the back of the drone here, and it just literally just pulls out from the top with the 2 connectors there. So it just pulls out, and then the final battery I'll put in there to take them, and it takes the 3rd battery in. We'll put it in there, so you can see that there's the charging of the batteries. Just press it again, and it's showing that there are, the middle battery's got 75%, roughly 3 bars. There's 4 bars on either side there, so they're about 100% charged. I'll just pull this one extra battery out now and just take it out. It's a little bit awkward, and we'll put that back into the back of the drone, get the right way up and just push it in, and it just sits in the back of the drone there. Now these batteries here charge in series, not in parallel. So the battery with the least amount of charge will charge first, and then it'll move on to the next battery, and so on. And that's the way that the charger works. Normally batteries take about 45 minutes to charge from 20% up to 100%. Here you can see the second battery charging after the first battery has completed its full charge. Here we're looking at the ND filters. This has got an ND8 filter at the moment. It wraps over the top of the camera, as you can see. These aftermarket ones that I bought came with 4 different ND filters. ND4, which is what I've got in my hand now, and you can see there's the clip that goes over the top of the camera. It's easy to put on and off. And then there's an ND8 which is on there at the moment, ND16 and ND32. Don't think I'm going to use the ND32 much, but the ND8 and the ND16 do make a massive difference to the output of the camera. They do stop light going into the lens, and they do work very effectively. Here are the prop guards for the Mavic Mini. The right prop guard here has a little nub out of the front there, not complete circle. There's the complete circle at the back. That's what differentiates them, that you can only put them on one way, and that nub goes on the leg. So we push the leg in over the top and into this slot here, and then push the rear one in as well. And then there are 2 clips that clip over the top of the arm. So you just clip the back one on and then clip the front one on and just press it down, and that secures that. Now the left one is exactly the same, but you can only put it on one way, and there's the nub at the front. So let's just push the leg into that area there, pull it up and push the back one in as well, and then get the hold of the clip at the front and push that over, and again with the clip at the back and push that over as well. And there you've got the 2 prop guards firmly attached to the Mavic Mini. So to summarise, the Mavic Mini is a small drone that comes in under 250 grams if you don't use the prop guards, and it works using the DJI Fly app. This is a new app, and it's a variation of the original DJI Go and Go 4 apps. It's like a cut down version. So I hope you have fun with this. It's a great small travel drone that you can take anywhere with you. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel, or watch the next video in the playlist, or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.